10 minutes, not a single or but that I can remember. Test 1, 2.
This is gonna be a real chaotic unboxing.
Then or not.
I know. Let me get to that part. He already unboxed this. Can you believe that? I literally text him. I go, oh, dude. So the whole story is, first of all, the day the Steam Deck limited edition goes on sale,
spoiler alert, it's really cool.
He texts me and he goes, oh, I can't get mine yet, or I haven't been able to get in. And if anyone was trying to get a Steam Deck that day, you know that the page went down, yada, yada, yada. Okay, and so eventually I got in, I got mine. He was a whiny baby about it. Oh, I can't get one. And then like 20 minutes later, he got one. Cool. They came in today. And I texted him. I was like, oh, yeah, I'm waiting for my Steam Deck to come. He's like, oh, you should come over. Well, you know, and I was like, oh, cool. We'll unbox them together. And then he texted me.
I love mine.
He texted me and goes, dude, this thing is so cool. I'm like, you missed the whole point. So I drove all the way over here, and I'm like, cool, whatever, it's fine. I won't look at it yet. I'll just unbox mine. Homeboy already has his sitting out here on the table, just like in my face, like... Anyway, without further ado, this is the Steam Deck OLED limited edition. Let's get into it. I'm already here, dude. I've already set up.
Is that an SD into the USB-C of the new iPhone?
Oh, yeah. This is very similar to the original Steam Deck unboxing. This is just more for fun. So hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, by the way, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend as well. I hope this is a great way for you guys to end your weekend. But got the limited edition Steam Deck, and if you guys haven't unboxed a Steam Deck before, Valve does such a great job with their packaging. You've got this cool little crate from Portal. So your charging brick comes in. Let's just make this short, simple, and sweet. Get the knife. Because you already know. Before I get into this, let me make sure that I'm actually recording audio. Okay, yeah, that's how I audio check. How are you supposed to get this on?
Take off your glasses.
No, that's too easy. All right, here we go. This thing's heavy. Yeah, no, we're recording, dude. Here, you get to hold the mic now.
All right, so while he's doing the unboxing...
Whoa, he's going in.
No, so what I'm trying to do is I already unboxed mine because I'm impatient. I have other stuff to do. I'm trying to take my old Steam Deck's MU Deck setup. I have a 1 terabyte micro SD that basically has all my emulation. I spent like months scraping meaning pulling out like video demos, all that. So it plays automatically. And you have to do that manually, like almost like 100 games at a time. I have like 10,000 on there. So I've taken it all out and I'm trying to transport it to my new OLED, but their export-import tool is not very like user-friendly as of right now. So I'll get around to it while he has fun with this. It's a spoiler alert. This will also be on CEO Gaming probably like a week after him because I'm not as good of an editor. You like the case?
I do so far. Whoa! Nice. Oh, you can see the purple glare in it.
Yep.
Wow.
This is my favorite part. They actually spent some time on this.
They really did, yeah.
And then show them the case within the case. It took me a second to figure it out.
Yeah, let's see if I can figure it out. I'm a genius. Okay, that looks...
Yeah, it's close.
All right, hold on. Okay.
You gotta do it across the board. There you go.
And then it just kind of... Oh.
But stand them side by side, how much actually thinner it is for travel. I would still put, I have like a JSOX cover deck. That's really cool, but yeah.
All right, so the hard shell is, if you've held a hard shell for the Steam Deck, that normal, it's the same. But that inner shell is much, free advertising, much thinner. Buy a ticket to CEO.
I mean, standing them next to each other, like just what a world of difference for travel. So.
Yeah. Which is always what my gripe was with the Steam Deck, was traveling with it was always a pain. So now, God, I can't get over the orange. That's a real nice orange. It's a Tyler orange, you know what I'm saying? It's a 24 concept orange.
There's so much pet hair on this mic. Sorry, kids.
Oh, that's not pet hair.
Oh, Jesus.
No, it is pet hair. Because my cat likes to play with it. What do you mean? But sick, cool. Well, I don't care.
Feels
about
lighter
this.
instant. Did you bring your old one to compare?
No, because I knew you had your old one. All right, let's turn it on. Let's make this short. I can't speak.
He's going to fast forward to about 20 minutes from now because of the updates that I also had to do. But I already did them in advance. I'll be right back.
One of these days, it will eventually boot. I want to see this fancy new animation. I love the orange, by the way, and the translucent. If you guys didn't know, it's kind of got like this gray translucent situation going on here, which is gorgeous. For a handheld, this is definitely the prettiest one that I own now, and it probably will be the only one that I own after this. Wow, the touchscreen feels much nicer. That's right off the bat. If you guys, so a couple of the things that are new with the Steam Deck OLED, in case you guys didn't know, the limited edition Steam Deck OLED is the same as the top end OLED. So it's a 1 terabyte internal drive. And as far as that, the only thing different about the limited edition and the regular one is obviously the special case, the special translucent shell, and the orange accents, which obviously I had to go for. Otherwise, performance-wise, screen-wise, all that stuff is all the same. The things that are new and different about the OLED Steam Deck versus the LCD Steam Deck is that, well, obviously the new one has an OLED panel. The screen's also a little bit bigger than the LCD, and so the Steam Deck, while the Steam Deck OLED and the LCD one are the exact same size footprint-wise, like they fit in the same case, the bezels on the OLED are going to be a bit smaller because this panel in particular can take up a little bit more space. So it's a slightly bigger display. I believe it is the same resolution still, a 90 hertz refresh rate up from 60 hertz, which honestly for a handheld, perfect. I know the Lenovo Go has 144 hertz and I know the Ally has 120 hertz. Honestly though, guys, I think the 90 hertz is the sweet spot for handheld gaming. I really don't think you need more than that. Keep in mind with Steam Decks, obviously you're not getting Windows on this, and I know a lot of my handheld videos, I say handhelds are not consoles, and while the Steam Deck is still not a console, in my opinion, it is the closest one to a console. But no, that's the limited edition Steam Deck OLED. Stay tuned for more cool content around that. Shout out to Jebailey for letting me unbox and wear his big...
3 hours remaining, god
damn it! I got you. I had to fill it out. Anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And as always, make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. I post usually once a week here on YouTube. And you know what? I might stream this weekend, so stay tuned for that. You can catch me at xxiv_concept. That's 24concept. Learn your Roman numerals on all the social media platforms, or at least the ones that I have listed down below. And yeah, have a great weekend. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace. CEO. It's in the game.